Today we will show using the Ultra-S programmer to repair a Tesla Model S Model Y airbag. Part number 151287600E. Chip number 1330. To view the wiring diagram, open the Ultra-S software. Select Options, Airbag, Tesla 151287600E, R7F701330. OK, click Diagram to open the HD wiring diagram. Solder the adapter to the airbag module PCB board as shown. Once everything is ready, plug the adapter into the Ultra-S Prog. Connect the device to the PC via the USB cable. Plug the power adapter into the programmer. Click Reset in the Ultra-S software. The software starts the process automatically. Automatic diagnosis. Crash records found. Click Confirm to repair. Chip is cracking and read automatically. Once complete, back up and save the data first. Automatically repair crash data and clear fault codes. Repair successful. Job done. Simple and efficient from start to finish. No PCB cut. No chip pin lift needed. To solder the adapter wires. Ready to install into the car.